Hello and welcome to today's video on relative mass. If you haven't watched the first one, just nip back and watch that, and let's just get started. So, the mass spectrum of magnesium. This is the mass spectrum of magnesium here, this graph here. The mass spectrum is the product of basically the mass spectrometer, what the data would be given. And so let's just go through how we figure out how to do a few things with this data. So this is the percentage abundance, also known as the relative isotopic abundance on the side here on the y-axis. And then this down here is the mass charge, and you can also write that as Z. And this is on the x-axis here. And these lines here are the peaks. So in an exam you might be asked to figure out the AR, which we know from previous videos is the relative atomic mass, and to figure it out we just have to follow these steps here. So for each peak, these are the peaks here, read the relative isotopic abundance from the axis and the relative isotopic mass from the x-axis. That should say y-axis. And multiply them together to get the total mass for each isotope. So that's basically, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is do 24 times 79. 10 times 25 and 11 times 26, and just write it out like that, nice and clearly for the examiner to figure out what you are doing. So that's the first step. The second step is to add up all these totals. Again, write it out nice and clearly underneath, and it should come to 2432. And then step 3 is divide it by 100. So you would write AR, or relative atomic mass of magnesium, is equal to 2432 divided by 100, which would give you 24.32, and that equals to approximately 24.3 as the AR of magnesium. So what do you do if the totals here don't add up to 100? Because this is why we are doing it to 100. Well, basically, I've kind of drawn a little thing here to show what you do. It's just the same. You follow steps 1 and 2. But instead of dividing by 100, you divide by the total of the relative abundances. So here we'll just do the equation for this. So 114 times 20, put that in brackets there, plus 0.2 times 21 plus 11.2 times by 22, and divide that by 114 plus 0.2 plus 11.2. Just put that into your calculator or figure it out, and that will give you approximately 20.18. And that's basically all you need to know for relative mass for now. So I'll see you again soon.